Hi friends, Jeff here with RV Optimizer, and today I want to talk to you about a camping companion that you may not normally think about. One that can actually explore your campsite for you, help you determine is it safe, or maybe places that you want to get out, hike, explore on your own. Or maybe it's just as simple as after that last trip you took, you wanted to jump on top of your RV and make sure everything's intact. That's not always a safe thing to do, but your companion can jump up there and check out things for you, and you can do all this right from your lounge chair in your campsite. Now, what am I talking about? I'm talking about a drone. And today, the technology and how these advance, they are getting easier and easier to use, and really more of a reason why you probably should use one when you're RVing or on your next camping trip. What I'm going to do is put a link in the description section with more information about this, and you can check it out, see if it's something that may work for you. I can tell you the link I'm putting in on Amazon will take you, and what I saw today when I posted this, these are on sale 30% off, so maybe another reason why you may want to check it out. But I'm going to put that information in the description section, check it out, and then in the next few minutes here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you what comes with this when you buy it. And matter of fact, I will tell you that that price I saw, they were on sale for $259. So even though this is called the Ruko Mini, there is nothing mini or toy-like about it. This is a full high-tech drone. And not only am I going to unbox it and show you what you get, but then we're going to go on a quick test flight, and I'm going to show you how easy this is to operate. And one of the coolest things about this is it doesn't require your phone to hook up and download an app, and I'm going to show you how that works too. Let me quickly show you what comes in the package when you buy a Ruko Mini. Matter of fact, let me tell you exactly what the name is here. The U11MINI. Now, this, it says 4K. Now, what that means is the video that it will capture is in 4K. The photos, you can take pictures, that's 8K. So it's just amazing. So you get 2 batteries with this one that I've got. They do have an option, you can get 3 batteries. The 2 batteries get you about 30 minutes of flight time. I think that actually goes up to almost an hour with the 3rd battery. So up to you depending on what you use it for. So you get accessories. These are a lot of extra little blades and other things that I think if it breaks or if you want to change things out, they give you that in a kit. The extra battery comes with it, a cable. Obviously you get the drone. It comes with a protector over the cameras before we get ready to fly it. And I'll show you more about that here in just a second. What I want to focus on with you right now is the actual controller. This is one of the big differences with this particular model, is that this one doesn't require you to put your phone on here, download an app, then hook your phone to the controller, and then you're flying everything from your phone. I could keep my phone totally out of the equation here because everything I'm going to see and do comes on the display that's built into the controller. On the back side here, you've got your little control knobs here that you take out of there. And with those on, you're pretty much ready to go. Now, they do give you the instructions that you could lay over it. It tells you what every button here does. So in essence, these are going to be our controller fly. This is going to power us on. Our antennas, this actually can change the speed of your drone. Backside here, you have a button to start and stop your camera, start and stop video. And then these controls allow the gimbal itself to move up or down depending on what you're trying to capture as you go. So let's jump into some of the controls and how this works. So I'm gonna hit this button right here. This is gonna power on. You'll see these lights flashing as it starts to come on. That logo will start to change. It'll default back to the home page. You know we're going to be on, and it'll show then the connection to the drone and GPS. So while that's doing that, over here on the drone, I'm going to just hit this power button, and the lights come on. That shows you my battery. Lights on the front come on, and this now shows that it's trying to pair with the controller. You can see now the drone is on because I'm looking at the camera. The lens is showing me through the camera on the drone. I see I have all my bars for the GPS and the connectivity portion here. From here, I can go over, click on this. This will allow me to auto take off. So if I go here, You can see the drone's going to go up. It's going to go up about 4 or 5 feet and stop and wait for me to take over the controls. So there again, from the controller itself, I'm looking at what the drone is, and now I'm just going to hit this button here to take it up, and this one would spin me around. So let's go up in the air a little bit. And you can see everything happening right here on my screen on my controller. I'm looking at everything the drone is looking at. And so it gives me this little icon down here that shows me exactly like a little radar where the drone is. I have options where I can see the camera and so forth. I'm going to take it up in the air further and then bring it back. So now I'm getting ready to bring it back. I have this button right here. I can click. I can unlock it to bring it back. Gonna start to lower itself and try to land exactly where it took off. Let's see if that happens or not. Looks like it's gonna be off just a little bit, but pretty darn close. So that's a quick review of this Ruko Mini drone. And like I said, man, what a cool companion to have when you're camping. And just makes it easier for you to use and to fly with the whole built-in display. This will allow you, when you have the display, the drone will actually, you can set it up in a mode to actually follow you around. So if you're on your bike or just out hiking, the drone will actually stay above you and record for you, and you don't even have to fly it to do that. It'll just follow you if that's one of the modes you select. So a lot of cool technology built into something that's literally under $260 right now, and I think that's amazing by itself. So once again, don't forget, I put the link to it in the description section below, so you can check it out, see if it works for you, and until next time, I hope all your future RV trips and camping are optimized. Thanks for watching.